Hello. Today is another day, but not another dollar. Let's face it, I haven't uploaded in a week. Sorry, there's hair literally everywhere in this room. I suck at keeping a routine, especially in these trying times. You know, in the outros of my videos, I always say I upload every Monday and Friday. That is a complete lie. I'm lying to you. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name's Nahir. I am a graphic design major at Christian Brothers University, and currently I'm social distancing, as is the rest of the world. All of you. Today is Friday, April 3rd. I am working on some stuff for school, writing down some notes for my history class. Literally just started. I wrote 2 lines down, not even a full sentence. And I think I'm gonna do that while watching Tiger King in the background. I started watching Tiger King with my sister the other day, and it's very interesting. Netflix does an amazing job with documentaries. Like every other day I feel like there's a new documentary, and my list of shows to watch during this time of quarantine has expanded to be a freaking novel by this point. I did buy my I did buy my school supplies for my 2D design class. And if you're new here and wondering what the heck those things are, they're my birds that are literally right over there. We are acquaintances living in a similar living space. Anyway, so today I'm gonna write down these notes, and then I need to seriously start working on my graphic design project. I have 2 at the moment that I should be working on, but I'm honestly just gonna finish the one that I have to finish on Monday. And let's see, I have my agenda right here. I rented a textbook for my 2D design class that I have to pack up. I completely forgot about it, and I have until January, February, March. Wait, oh my god, did it say March? Oh, I have until May. What the heck? Why am I trying to do this right now? Cross that off my list. Wow. So my list just got a whole lot shorter. So those are the only 2 things on my bucket list. That, eat some good food, maybe go for a bike ride or walk my dog or something. Oh, read a book. In my last vlog, if you didn't watch it, you should go watch it. I talked about this app called Libby, and I know this intro is so freaking long, I apologize. I finished Here We Are Now by Jasmine Warga, and I started Eliza and Her Monsters by Francesca Zappia. I apologize if I'm butchering her name. Yeah, it's a really cool app. It's free, it's cool, uses your library card, and you can download free ebooks. Check it out if you're bored.
Carol behaved in the aftermath. It was just a chaos.
After Dawn disappeared, Carol and her family got rid of everybody that worked for Dawn. They got rid of everything.
I'm gonna take a break from this because I literally did like 2 whole pages front and back of notes. It's a beautiful day outside and I really want to go outside, so I think I'm gonna put on a swimsuit and just like lay out in the sun and get some vitamin D and read a little bit of my book on my Libby app. I actually wanted to show you guys my closet. So this is the mess behind the madness. I have some of my dorm room stuff, like my Brita filter, my makeup stuff, and then like my foam mat. This is basically my closet and will be my closet for the next 5 months. But I'm gonna dig through this mess right here, this suitcase, and find my swimsuit and put it on and bathe outside. It's currently 2:39 and I'm just grilling up some tofu. Someone say hi! I'm watching more of Tiger King, and I think I'm gonna eat the tofu with some rice that we made in our rice cooker, and then I really kind of want like a summery fruity salad, and then I have this like balsamic vinegar. I think I got this at Aldi. I'm gonna put this on the fruit salad. I'll probably throw in some almonds in there, spice it up a little bit, and maybe mix it with a little bit of agave because it is really sour and like tart. But that's currently all that I'm doing. And Samara is making, what are you making?
Pasta salad.
Pasta salad for like the 4th time this week.
You should carry Mrs. Big.
Pasta box. Empty container. Put the pasta in the empty container. That's it. You want to recycle this for me?
Recycling.
Yeah. It's currently nighttime. Me and Samara, I think after the last clip, we went to Walmart because I ran out of contact solution for my contacts, so I had to get those desperately or else I would have to wear my glasses, which wouldn't be the worst of things, but like working out in the mornings and not being able to see kind of really sucked. We also got a couple of other things like a toothbrush and deodorant. So I took a nap after we came back from Walmart, and I'm making biscuits. So ignore the noise in the background. That's my dad watching a movie on like volume 80. I have everything here though to make the biscuits. I just have flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, almond milk, unsweetened original, and then a lemon juice because I'm gonna make buttermilk biscuits, and this is gonna like curdle the almond milk. Oh, and butter. Somebody, you wanna make some mate?
Yeah.
Yeah! This is gross. Like having all of this food around, is that nasty? And all these crumbs while I'm trying to bake this. How do grandmas do this?
Ask Mom. I'm kidding. Sorry, Mom.
So this is the current situation. It's like wet, but it doesn't stick to my fingers. Okay, moment of truth. This is how they turned out. And I gotta say, they look pretty dang good.
They look exquisite.
I made some of these a little bit thinner, but that's okay because with a little bit of jam and stuff, they're fine. And then the other ones, I made them thicker, and I think that worked a lot better. So next time I make these, I'm gonna make them thicker, but not bad for my first time. Okay, Shani. Me and Simon are gonna have them with this organic blueberry preserves that we got from Aldi, and also this Smucker's Sweet Orange Marmalade. Get in my stomach. Yeah.
Dame uno.
No. Sin nada.
No sé, quiero probar un pedacito. ¿Tiene sal?
Le puse sal, pero
Ok.
¿no tiene sabor?
No, está bueno, está bueno.
¿Sí? Oh, good. Mmm. Delicious. They're like buttery. Like flaky. What would you rate it? 8 out of 10. Me too. I was gonna say 8 out of 10. Success.
Pues yo me voy a comer otro con mermelada. Está muy rica, Nahir.
Dame uno, te dije.
Vení para acá, larva.
It's been a couple hours later. I basically watched Casa de Papel on Netflix, and I walked on the treadmill. That's why I'm all like sweaty and gross, and why I'm in the bathroom. I'm mainly in the bathroom because everyone is sleeping and the lighting is better in here than the rest of my house. But I just wanted to end the video off here and say thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, you should subscribe down below and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload a video. I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm really sweaty. I will see you guys later, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye.